Hello students, this is Sanskaram Group of Schools and it's my great pleasure to welcome you all on our official YouTube channel. And this is for second class. Subject is English grammar today. And in English grammar today we are going to discuss about pronoun. Students, in previous class we have discussed about noun. What is noun? Yes, all the naming words are called noun. That can be name of a person, place, thing, institution, days or months. Got it? Now today we are going to discuss about pronoun. Students, what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. There is a sentence, okay, and if we got any noun there, in the second sentence, it's not necessary to repeat the noun word. We can use pronoun. Pronoun is a word that takes the place, the word which we can use at the place of noun is called pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. In a sentence, pronoun is a word that we can use at the place of noun. Examples of pronoun. There are some examples: I, it, you, they, we, she, he. We will learn about this. We will discuss in detail. First of all, you must know the examples. Don't forget it. I, you, he, she, it, we, you and they. I, beta, keep one thing in your mind. Whenever and wherever you are writing this alphabet I, the single form, always use to write it in capital form only. Got it? First one is I, and don't forget to write I in the capital form only if you are writing it in single form. I is used in place of the person who is referring to himself. I means me, myself, about yourself, about myself, okay. As you have learned myself, my name is, for example, my name is Riya. I study in Sanskaram Public School. You will not repeat Riya. You can use I word. I am a good girl. I word you will write, you can write, and that I is pronoun. I means about myself. These are words related to word I. Me, my, mine, myself. These all are pronoun words and related to word I. Next one is we. What is we? We is used in place of people including the person speaking. We means about us including me. That can be I, you and there can be lots of person or lots of things. We used including me. Got it? We can use place of people in place of people including the person speaking. With speaker, with myself, we can say we. We means I am also present there. Got it? In the we family, there are us, ourselves. Got it? Next one is you. You is used in place of a person or person spoken to whom, with whom I am talking. One is myself and second one is you, the second person with whom I am making a conversation or with whom I am communicating. First person is me and the second one is you. In the family of you, yourselves. Got it? All these are examples of pronoun. Next one is he. Students, He is used in the place of name of a boy or man. He word represent the male category only. If we are talking about a male, a boy, we will use the word he. Rahul is a good boy. He is playing right now. Whenever we have to talk about a male person, about a boy, we will use only and only the word he. Got it? In the family of he, there are him, his, himself. These are all related to the word he. Next one is she, opposite gender of he. She is used in place of the name of a girl or a woman. She word means the word is related to female category. We are talking about or we are discussing about female category, about the girls only. Then we will use she word. She means girl. In the family of she, there can be her, herself. He, him, his, himself. But in she category, we can use her, herself. Got it? Next word is they. Students, they is used in place of people or things being referred to whenever we are talking about the persons more than one. Okay, we can use the word they. They means we are talking about someone else, not about myself, not about yourself. We are talking about them, about they. They are playing, they are dancing, they are singing. The object being referred to, about them we are talking. Then we can use the word they. In the family of they, there is them, their, themselves. Got it? Next one is it. It, whenever we have to talk about animals, things, objects, days or season, we can use the word it. It is very hot today. It is Sunday today. It is used in place of a thing, or whenever we are talking about anything. It is my pencil. It is my pet dog. About animal we are talking about, then we can use the word it. Now we will do some practice. First of all, we can take a revision. What is pronoun? Students, pronoun is a word that we can use at the place of noun. The word that we can use in the place of noun. Got it? Okay, now we will do exercise. In any sentence, whenever we are completing the sentence should be meaningful. Use the perfect, the correct word. Choose the perfect pronoun word to complete the sentence. Okay? Kiran is dash sister. Two options are there. Kiran is my sister. If this boy is speaking, he can say Kiran is my sister. And if we are talking about them, we can use Kiran is his sister. Got it? Both are correct. Kiran is my sister. Correct? Next one. Student, there are some people whom we can identify only because of their uniform. As you can see in this picture, you can easily identify what profession or what occupation he does. You can identify doctors, nurses, firefighters only seeing their uniform. Dash is a postman. He is a postman. We know it. But which pronoun we have to use here? He is a male, a boy. And to show a male category, a boy, we will use only he. he is a postman. We can never use she word here because she is related to the girls, to the woman, but he is a man, a male, a boy. Then we can use only and only the word he here. Got it? Next one. What is this? Bag. Whose bag? This boy. This boy is standing near the bag. It means the bag is related to him only. This is, students, there are options. Okay. If this boy is saying something about this bag, he can say this is my bag. And if we are talking about, then we can say this is his bag. Got it? Both options are correct. This is my bag. Got it? Next one. Dash are school children. They are school children. Which pronoun we can use? There are more than one. We can use they. We can't use he, we can't use she, we can't use them, their, that. Okay? The correct pronoun word is here. They are school children. Got it, beta? Students, the pronoun words are the words that we can use in place of the noun. Because whenever we are repeating the noun words, it doesn't sound good. To make our conversation, our writing more impressive, we use pronoun words. It's easy, very much easy. And at last I would like to say, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Students, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.